You can start a new screen recording directly from the main page. There are 3 main categories of properties. You can record the screen and your webcam. Use your microphone and include the system sounds. You can also set a timer to get more time to prepare. Finally, just hit the rec button. We will use a recent area for this tutorial, but you can choose any other option. For more details, see the Screen Recording Properties video. The countdown can be seen along with some handy shortcuts. Pausing the video is also possible, and the duration of the current recording is displayed in the bottom panel. Stop the recording when you're done. Use the button or the keyboard shortcut. You will be automatically redirected to the video editor where you can start by previewing your recording. Congratulations! You can now start editing your video.